Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I am going to be actually a first-time mom end of February. I also live with my husband and our little Morky. A lot of my videos are cleaning motivation, getting things done. I'll throw in a few baby videos as well, but for the most part, anything homemaker or like baking and cooking, that's what you're going to find here on my channel. So if that's something that interests you, then please feel free to hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. I'd also love if you could leave a comment down below how you came across this channel and what you liked most in this video. So right here in these clips, as you can see, I'm actually just organizing our coat closet. It wasn't in terrible condition, but it's just been something that as I'm nesting through our whole house, I just had to get done before the baby comes. I wanted to go through our bin. I just created this bin. It has like hats, masks, gloves. With the winter season, it's just easier for us to grab and go. So I organized that. So you're about to see, yep, there it is right here, how neglected this closet can get. I just wanted to share that clip because it does get kind of dirty in there. So this is kind of why I wanted to go through it today. So cleaning this shoe rack, honestly, it's not something that I always do. I honestly don't think I've cleaned it since we purchased it, but you'll see here, I'm glad that I gave it a good wipe down. I love to do deep cleans. It's honestly my favorite thing to do in the world. So if I find something where I'm like, oh, you know what, this probably hasn't been cleaned in a while, if I just give it a wipe down, I don't know, it makes me feel so much better. Let me know if you guys are like that too. So as I was cleaning the closet, I figured just to make life simple, why not get the Swiffer duster and then the Swiffer wet jet ready to go. That way, the next time that we want to use it, everything is right where it needs to be, especially with a baby coming. I feel like I'm always trying to think one step ahead and what's going to make things easier and just more practical for us in the house. And there we have it. It honestly did not take that long, but if you have any projects you want to tackle, let this be your sign to go tackle it. So recently, my husband and I have been using this 3-basket system and we love it. So on the left-hand side, we'll put our lighter clothes, in the middle, our darker clothes, and then on the right-hand side, we'll do towels and dish towels. I still like to go through and use like regular plastic laundry baskets to carry things down to the basement. And then I just want to make sure like anything delicate or that I want to be careful washing, that I'm kind of like organizing that and putting it in a delicates bag. but this system has been working for us probably over the past month. Same thing with a baby coming. I just want it to be kind of like quick, easy, instead of like me going through one big laundry pile and having to organize everything. This has been honestly a lifesaver. So right now what I'm doing is just clearing the floors. That way I can wash them, just making sure that I'm getting everything off of the floors, just shaking out our back rug, rolling that up, also moving Princess's little doggy bed. That way I can just vacuum and have a clean surface to work on. I do have to be completely honest with you guys. Cleaning the floors is probably one of my most, I hate to say dreaded, but that's the best word that I can use to describe it, house chores, only because I feel like there's so much work that has to go into it. Like, you have to clear everything off, you have to vacuum and then wash the floors. But I was actually recently watching some of Jamie's journey, and I'll link the name, or not link it, I'll put it on the screen above because I don't have it in front of me now. But there is this vacuum mop that does the vacuuming and the mopping at the same time. And I feel like if my husband is watching this video, and I might plant the seed in his ear, that would be a really good Christmas gift. I want to say it was only like $120 at Walmart or something, but same thing, like I've been saying throughout this video, like just kind of making things easier, more practical, more functional around the house. That's what's most important to me as I'm nesting and preparing for a baby, because I feel like once the baby comes, like it's going to be the best whirlwind of chaos, but also, I still want to maintain a clean home as best as I can, because that's what makes me happy. So yeah, I'll definitely share that link below, but I think it's something that I would like to purchase just because it saves you from doing the 2 steps. Honestly, name a better view or sight than clean mopped floors. Another place that I feel like kind of gets neglected is always the bathroom floors. Sometimes I'll go in with the Swiffer Wet Jet, but when I already have the warm water and the Fabuloso and mop, I like to make sure that everything is prepped and ready to go so I can just clean the floor quickly in the bathroom, do the hallway, and just get those really large main areas complete. So now I'm just going in and cleaning the floors in our living room. This probably, I don't know if this is good or bad to admit on the internet, but the last time I did a deep clean in the floors in our living room was probably like mid to end November, right before all the Christmas decor went up. And then after we took all the Christmas decor down, actually, I think our tree might still be up in this video, but it's finally down now. I already lost my train of thought. Pregnancy brain, I tell you, it is something. But the floors weren't too awful in here, but I was just still happy to get them done. And then I just kind of cleaned like around the rug and around the furniture, just to do like a quick clean. But yeah, let me know how often you guys mop. I wish I did it more often than I do. I feel like that would be a really good thing to work on this year. But with the baby coming, we'll see how good I can get at that. But I'm just curious because for me, I feel like I don't do it as much as I would like to. And to wrap up this extreme clean with me, I'm just folding a load of laundry. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. If you're new here and you're interested in my videos and my lifestyle and what I have to share on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I'd really love to interact with my viewers. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I will be uploading every Wednesday up until when baby comes. My due date is end of February. So be on the lookout for a new video every Wednesday. Thanks so much. Bye.